Hey, good morning. Arms up. Arms up. Arms up.
Well, anyway, the word worship is not talking about music.
Coffee. Malia is down. Should be down for the next couple hours if I am lucky. But I need to start laundry. I need to start yeah, laundry. I need to wash her sheets first because homegirl pooped on mine. Well, she didn't poop on him, but she like got poop as I was changing her because she doesn't stay still anymore. But we had breakfast together. I went upstairs. I let her play around a little bit by the bookshelf while I just sat there and relaxed. And then I read her a book she loves to be read to. Like, she'll sit there and let me read to her, which is awesome. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna start laundry now. Literally all the laundry that was all around my house, linen from when people were here, just everything, just to make sure my house is clean before we leave. So I am sorting my laundry the way Jordan Page recently recommended in her laundry video. I follow her, and I mean, I don't have a big family, but I'm just trying to learn before I have a big family. But she expressed, and I'm sorry you guys hear the little vent, sorry, but she was talking about how to sort your laundry, and I'm going to attempt what she had said, which is pairing things that have similar fabric versus color, because I usually sort my laundry with white, color, and then darks. So what I'm gonna try this time is going to sort my laundry with the same material, cottons, and then bulky stuff, and then whites. So let's see how that works. There's my coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna go try to look more presentable. I'm not doing my eyebrows till Friday and they look crazy. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day and I barely vlogged this afternoon because, like I said, I had our pastors come for dinner and we just enjoyed that. I meant to show you guys what dinner looked like, but I totally didn't have a chance to. I'm gonna fold some laundry. I have a basket full of clothes that I'm going to bring my sister, so I'm just organizing that the best that I can so that I can pack it all up for her. And yeah, it's pretty much, excuse me, that's pretty much the rest of my night. So that's what you're going to be seeing me doing right now. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to end this vlog, right? Say hi. Malia, yes, she's still in her pajamas. It is 2 o'clock, but it's just a pajama day. I have a lot to do and it's okay. I just wanted to update you guys really quickly on, hold on, let me get y'all in a better, okay. So updating you guys really quickly on my thoughts on Jordan Page's laundry tip. I actually really like it. I feel like my clothes is fluffier and they feel cleaner. I definitely think that I'm going to keep sorting my laundry that way from now on, at least for a little bit, just to see how I like it and the difference. I am going to change my detergent. I use extra because my logic was, you know, it's going to clean it, and then the softener that I love to use is Suavitel. It's like, it's in like every Hispanic household, and I love it. My grandma, I got it from my grandma, and it's very inexpensive and it smells good, but I feel like I need to change my laundry detergent to be a little bit better than the one that I've been using. So yeah, that is the only thing that I'm gonna change, but definitely like her hack. I feel like it's very different than what you are accustomed to, but it's definitely, like, I feel like my clothes feel fluffier. I don't know if that's a thing, but I feel like my clothes feel fluffier. I don't know if the friction of the same patterns are helping it wash better. I don't know nothing about that, but I do like the concept. I feel like it makes sorting laundry a little bit easier, so that's what I'm going to keep on doing. Chaka chaka chaka. Chaka chaka chaka. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update. I am vlogging today, so I'm trying to get this video up so then I can get another video up for you guys. I'm really trying to stay on top of this. Last night, homegirl, her teeth are coming in and they hurt her at night. So some nights are rough. She wakes up crying and I have to tend to her, so. Right, Chunk? Right. She just woke up from a really good nap. So I love when she wakes up from a good nap and she's just really good. But yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 11. Right? So see you tomorrow.